As you can see, the Fluval C is what I have just purchased, and it's the Flex Saltwater Kit by Fluval C. So I got it out of the package and I got it set up on the stand. Here is the Marine 3.0 LED lighting. So I didn't do an unboxing, I just basically set it up. I'm going to take you in and show you the stand. It's got its own little filtration system in the back. As you can see right here. So, let's go inside and have a look at this tank. Okay, so here's the stand that I built for the aquarium. I gotta put doors in the front and board it on the sides and put another shelf in the bottom. But I basically built this all myself for the aquarium. I gotta lay a piece of plywood or something down on top of this. But there's the aquarium. I'm getting into saltwater right now. I was always doing freshwater. As you can see in the back, that's where the filtration happens. Not yet. So that's in the back. There's where all the filtration happens for your media and sponges and heaters and yeah. So getting back into the aquariums. This one is all I'm going to have for now. I'm going to do this to saltwater, get used to doing saltwater. I always wanted to do a saltwater aquarium. And I figured, well, 32 probably the best thing to start out on. Small, convenient, 10% water changes in this a week wouldn't be so bad. So, yeah. So you guys, this is what you got to look forward to. I'm going to be learning this. I've been doing my research for years on it, so I know pretty much a lot about saltwater. I really wanted to get into it. So, it's expensive. So I'm going to be starting out slow. I have the salt at the bottom. I'm going to be using the, what is this stuff? Coral Pro Salt. Ideal mix for reef and SPSs. So this is what I'm going to probably end up using for the remaining of me in this hobby for salt. So anyway, I really want to get into doing corals, and I got a 300 watt heater here. It's just a small one. I think the water, I'll probably keep it around 80, 77 to 80. I'll have to wait and see. So I gotta get this all set up. I'm gonna put live sand. I'm gonna put some live rock in here, and some dry coral as well. Dry rock, and basically just going to build a nice little mound here in the center, just to kind of hide the filtration in the back. But it's got a really nice light built into it. You set it and forget it. And the whole setup, this aquarium comes with a 4-year warranty, and I think it's a 5-year on the light. I purchased extra warranty just in case anything ever happens. I paid $600 for the tank, you guys, so shit's went up through the roof. So when I get it all set up, when I start setting it up, I will make videos, and I'm going to do a review on this tank once I get it all set up, and show you how the light works. You know, simple things. I got the stuff for measuring the salt. Here I'm going to buy a digital one too as well. It's better to have 2 ways of measuring your salt and everything else in the tank. I'm going to be purchasing a test kit for salt water. Not for a while, baby. There's my little girl. You remember the aquariums we had last time? Yeah. We're going to have a salt one now. So I'm just waiting on, maybe we might be moving into a new home. So I'm just kind of waiting on that to see what's going on, and hopefully we can move out of here and get this thing set up. So thanks for watching, you guys. Just letting you know what's coming. I'm getting back into the hobby for the winter, and this is something I don't want to rush into. I want to do it all right. I want to have a perfect setup. I want everything to go good. I don't want to have to deal with any algae or diatoms or anything like that. So yeah, RODI system might have to be installed, but right now I found a place where I can get my water, which is $2 for 18.5 liters of water. So I can get the water for $2 cheap. So not a problem. Just mix it up, mix my water all up in these jugs. I'm going to buy 4 of them. This is what I'm using for the water jugs. I'm just going to put my salt right in there, measure it out, put it in, shake it. Probably put a pump. I'll probably get a small pump, put in there and just let it set. Put the covers on them, let the water set in a dark spot until I need it. Simple. So anyways, until I get my RO system set up at the new place, this is what I'm going to do. It's going to take about 2 months almost, I'd say, just for me to get this all set up and going. I'm not adding any fish to this right away. Probably just cleaners, stuff like that. But I'm basically right now I want to focus on getting the tank balanced, getting the coral in here, some coral that I want, get everything balanced out first, and I'm going to introduce some fish to the tank. But definitely going to have crabs and stuff like that in here. Some good cleaners and So keep follow, and don't forget to click the button down below. I'm new to saltwater. I have quite a bit of knowledge on the saltwater setups and how to do it. I've had freshwater for quite a while, and but we're going to jump into salt and see how it goes. So thanks for watching, you guys. Subscribe for more updates coming. Maybe I might end up setting this up right away. Hopefully I can get into the other home. So thanks for watching.